In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can access a web browser here on your PS5. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do is actually head to your PS5 home screen and go up to the top right and select this little settings gear to open up your settings, and then open up your network settings, hit connection status, and then hit view PlayStation network status to take you to a page that looks like this. Scroll down on this page, and what you're looking for is this option that says PlayStation over in this right hand sidebar, and look specifically for the blog tab on here. Sometimes this is also in the About Us section if you don't find it in blogs, so you might have to open up both. But open this up, and what you're looking for is a little YouTube option on here. And you might have to scroll super far down in order to find this, so just keep that in mind. But essentially, find YouTube on here, open this up. And once you do open up this, whether it's through the blog post or the About Us post, essentially just look up in the top right corner, select sign in, and on the sign in page, go ahead and select privacy. Once you're on this tab, you're going to see these little like 9 dots. Essentially select this and then hit Google search, and it's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this, where you can go ahead and search for whatever you would like. This is going to be that fully functioning web browser. For example, I'll search for myself, and as you can see, it does pop up. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.